Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell Ticketmaster tickets using Gametime. For that, open the Ticketmaster app on your phone. After that, go to My Events and make sure your tickets are mobile ticket transferable. If transfer option is available, you are good to go. Now go to the Gametime app. If you don't have it yet, download it from and sign in to create an account. Once it's logged in, look at the option to sell ticket. Tap sell ticket, sort your event name, date and venue, choose how many tickets you want to sell and enter your asking price. Gametime will show you price tips to stay competitive. Your tickets are listed on Gametime. When someone buys them, Gametime handles delivery. The buyer receives the ticket automatically. You don't need to do anything else. After the event happens, Gametime sends you the payment to your selected method like bank transfer or PayPal. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.